Hi friends, this is Salome from Artibits. I'm back with yet another easy and a very simplified tutorial on a scenery which I'm going to do with oil pastels, and I'm going to brief you all about the basic shadings and blending techniques. So watch this video till the end to learn all these basic techniques. So for this scenery, I am basically going to use crayons, the regular oil pastels, and I'm going to use the primary red crayon. I'm going to use the orange. I'm going to use a yellow, a pink, grey rose, that is a very lighter shade of pinkish grey, purplish grey, the sky blue, the cobalt blue, and the ultramarine blue. So let's start with our work. Firstly, I'm just going to draw two lines like that, and with the red, and I'm going to crayon them. A normal coloring, even it out. Now here I have used a handmade paper. That's the reason I am getting these grains. If you all use a plain paper, you all will not get these grains. It will be more smoother. I'll show you later the technique to blend this and make this even. The next I'm going to use is orange. Now here the main thing I wanted to tell you all is that a lot of people ask me, how is the blending so easy? Like, there is a very easy technique. Never make straight lines. Always make lines which are uneven, so the next shade can easily go inside that previous shade and you automatically blend it without doing too much of work. This is basically one easy method. I'm leaving a few gaps like this. I automatically fill my next shade wherein half of my work is easily done. Again repeating the orange a little. Yellow, same way. The whole idea is to just easily blend. And this is a very simplified way to do so. Can you see? Using the grey rose, the same concept follows. One more thing, when you're entering the previous crayon, make sure that you are a little gentle, like the pressure is what I'm talking about, is a little gentle and it'll easily blend. Just adding a little more pressure to cover all these white space. You need not need any extra material to blend. After adding a little more pressure, even then if you cannot even this out, then you can always use a tissue paper or cotton and just rub it to even the crayons, like the shading, to even out the white space. So here my base work for the painting is done. Now I'm going to use black acrylic paint. You all can even use the black tempera paint. Black poster color will not work very evenly since these are oil pastels. So it's better if you use acrylic paint or tempera paints, or else if you don't have these paints, you can also use the black crayon itself. So now what I'm going to do is, right here in the center, I'm just going to draw a sleeping line. Very basic, and see how easily the black acrylic works. Another one to go with. A semicircle, covering this whole area again with the black paint. I'm going to use a toothbrush the other way around, like this, from down to up, to give the grass look. Now I'm going to make a flamingo out here. So a quick and easy way to draw a flamingo, we just write the number 2 here, the initial thing of number 2, the way we write number 2. From here, we make a slanting oval. Here I get the basic shape of my flamingo. Now I can mend it a little. Improvise my form. Extend a beak. Just add 2 standing lines. I take a little yellow paint. So this was how you can do like a real quick beautiful landscape with vibrant colors in about 15-20 minutes.